breaking news coming in on the T20 World Cup, and Bangladesh will not be touring India. Remember, they had been given 24 hours to decide by the ICC, and Bangladesh have now pulled out of the T20 World Cup. They had asked the ICC to schedule their matches outside of India, citing security concerns, also national pride. The ICC had said that it was not possible and had given them 24 hours to decide. Let's go across to Rika for the very latest on this breaking story. And Rika, big development. Bangladesh has pulled out of the T20 World Cup.
Well, they aren't officially saying that they have pulled out of the T20 World Cup, but this is what the president of the Bangladesh Cricket Board, Aminul Bulbul, said just a little while in a press conference. He says that ICC has denied our request to shift the matches away from India. He also said that we are not sure about the status of world cricket at this moment. Its popularity is going down. They have locked out 200 million people. That's what they are stating about Bangladesh. Cricket is going to Olympics, but if a country like us is not going there, then it is ICC's failure. That's what he's saying. He continues to say that they will communicate with the International Cricket Council over this matter. They still want to play World Cup. They want to play the World Cup tournament, but they do not want to come to India. They do not want to play their matches in India. He says that we will keep fighting. There was some shocking calls during the ICC board meeting. The Mustafizur Rahman issue is not an isolated issue. He also says that India were the sole decision makers in that issue. So clearly, India is being targeted in this matter. And he's saying that it is the failure of the International Cricket Council to give one country its basic right to play. All that they have said is they don't want to come to India and play, but they have not said that they do not want to take part in the World Cup. Now, the ball is once again in ICC's court. Yesterday, at the end of the board meeting, it was decided that if Bangladesh refuses to travel to India, then they will be replaced by Scotland in this edition of the T20 World Cup. But we will have to wait and see what really is the final call. They were given, Bangladesh was given 24 hours time to decide on this. 24 hours is over. Now, ICC will have to decide.
That's right, Rika, and it's really an example of the deteriorating relationship between India and Bangladesh. The trigger for this entire controversy was after Bangladeshi fast pacer was let go in an IPL team, and at that time the BCCI said that he will not be allowed to play for the IPL team, and that is what really led to this. Just take us through all these developments.
Well, it was on the 4th of this month when they had said, Bangladesh government had said that they wouldn't come to India, and it was after the Mustafizur Rahman issue when he was ousted from IPL. He was ousted.
All right, Rika, sorry to interrupt you there. We're also joined by former cricketer Madan Lal. Sir, your reaction to this news? Bangladesh has said they will not be touring India. They haven't said they want to pull out of the World Cup. But this ongoing controversy, in Bangladesh now replying to the ICC saying they will not tour India.
I think Bangladesh, one of the stupid decisions they have taken ever. Because this is a World Cup, 2020 World Cup, even, this is going, the fact is going to be on the players. Players are going to suffer. That's what it is. हो सकता है कि player wanted to play, but the board, the Bangladesh government, if they don't allow them to play, then how can they come and play this sort of thing in such a big tournament? But it must be Pakistan, telling them not to go. Pakistan want to have one upper hand, but that's अभी 4-5 सालों से ये देखा गया है कि जब भी कभी कोई कंट्रोवर्सी होती है तो क्रिकेट comes in front, and because of the popularity of the game in Asia. So, these are the decisions should be taken very sensibly, and ICC is not going to change this decision,